Buildings experience many forms of movement. Expansion joints are designed to accommodate movement without causing damage or structural failure. Shear movement, vertical movement, and horizontal movement are types of movement experienced. SITURA RedLINE will provide the best waterproof solution while accommodating this movement. RedLINE allows for tri-directional simultaneous movements. This movement takes place in the gland of the RedLINE. SITURA joints seal the building's interior from the elements, providing for building envelope continuity. Providing a waterproof solution for any gap size. For more information, visit www.situra.com.